It is also the reason why I made a commitment that we are going to remove millions of people in Kenya who had been condemned to blacklisting by credit rating agencies. Today we have removed 7 million Kenyans from CRBs. And on top of that, we have many Kenyans today getting credit that is affordable, both in our program of Financial Inclusion Fund. The Hustler Fund today is servicing. Imagine we have moved from 7 million people who were in CRB, we now have 7 million people who are repeat customers borrowing from the Hustler Fund. And we have another 2 million people who are borrowing consistently from Hustler Fund. Every day, Hustler Fund is disbursing 80 million shillings every day to ordinary citizens. It may not be a lot of money, but it is making a difference. And I want to ask the beneficiaries here, mimi nitawaeleza vile hiyo 25,000 alafu hiyo ingine inakuja 25,000, vile mnaweza kukopa 50,000, 1,100, 1,150 mkisonga mbele na biashara zenu. And it will all be on technology. In fact, technology and digitization has helped us change collateral in terms of borrowing. Today, many of you have a credit history. Today, you are credit worthy because you have a credit history, because you have borrowed under Hustler Fund. So we are going to move forward together. I know we have to conclude this session. Hawa watu wanangojea maneno, si ndio? Kwa hivyo tutapunguza hii ndio tuendelee na hiyo ingine.